be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Welcome to another edition of Red Screen Ninja. This is the Winnersbank 200. Now this is the guarantee way how you're going to go home alive and not be dead and lose all your money from the casino. And you ask, what does this device do? Well, I will tell you, but first, it comes in many colors, about 4 colors: blue, pink, I believe black, and white. And it has a locking mechanism, like you can see here, where you have this key, and of course you turn it, you leave the key at home, and it has a slit where if you were to win a jackpot, you fold up your money, whatever money you want to come home with, you put it in the slit, and voila, you don't access it, you don't touch it, and it keeps you from out of danger. And this is how you guarantee to come home with money. Guaranteed. Unless, it gets stolen and it gets lost and you're out of luck. But if you win a jackpot of, $1,200, take half of it, fold it in half like so, and squeeze it through the box and leave it in there. And on your initial feed through, try to put as much big bills and as much money as you can in a box like this. There's a lot of different variation of this, which I haven't tried from other brands yet, but for this particular one, once you feed it in, the money expands, and once it expands, like you can see there, like it's going to be hard for you to shove more money into it. So they give you this little shove card that allows you to shove more money into it, but as you can see that, there's a slit there now. It expanded already, and I'm going to try to jam probably another 6 more bills into this, assuming, again, they're all $100 bills. You have $1,200 now stashed away, but try to avoid $10, $1 bill, $5 bills, but again, if you don't play as much and play a lot of money, hey, whatever bill you stash in there, the better. But keep in mind that it will take up a lot of space if you don't jam enough, if you jam too much money into it, and then if you're not jamming the right amount, then again you can get in trouble. So just like so, shove that card in there, jam it in there, and once it goes through that slit there where you can't pick it out with your fingernails, then you're good to go. And that's how you're going to save some money and not lose your money. Because I know a lot of times when we sit there and we play the slot machines, $100 in, we're chasing that red spin, we're chasing that jackpot, and then we get in trouble. Now let me open this back up and show you why it's important to, again, consolidate your bills to big bills, because again, it gets jammed in here. Whether, obviously we have 12 paper dollar bills in here, whether it's $1,200 or $12 bills or 12 20s, whatever you got, it becomes a cluster in here. And once you get it in like that, you can see it's hard for you to jam more money into it. So that's the disadvantage of this box. But having a box like this to keep safe your $1,200 is better than leaving it bare back in your wallet or in your purse. And so it's better than nothing. So keep in mind, fold the money up to where it can fit in the box the first time. Use that jam card to jam it in. And if you had another $600 to put in or another 6 bills to put in, fold it, neatly to where it overlaps with each other, and then you could probably jam more than just 12 bills in here. 12 is just my limit to show you guys what it can do, but I'm sure it can probably take another 2-3 more bills into it. Again, let me know how much money you can jam into a box like that. But for demonstration purposes, here 12 fits very comfortably. This box cost me $26 on eBay, and when I bought it, they also sent me some promo codes where if you were to buy directly from their website, you'll save 10%. So 10% of $26, you probably get underneath $25 with shipping and handling, the whole 9 yards. So if you guys want to go to the casino where you're not losing your shirt and you don't want to be a dumb dead ninja, this is a great box to invest in. Again, having $1,200 is better than no $100, and having some money is better than having no money. So this is a box. It doesn't have to be for the casinos. You could leave this in your car. You can leave this in the gym. You can leave this in your locker. And so it's not just a casino apparatus, but it can be anywhere where you don't want to get robbed. Again, a vehicle, and it's something to lock away. So it's not a bad investment, and again, you can multi-use it for different purposes. I'll leave the website link here. Like this video, subscribe if you guys already haven't, and I'll put the promo codes as well. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you do, let me know how much money you're able to save with a unit like this. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.